Feliz Navidad, let's dance tonight. Feliz Navidad.
Hello, baby. Are you swimming in the ocean? Yep. Hello, everybody. We are here on Christmas Eve with our annual Swim in the Ocean video for you poor folks that are shoveling or in the rain.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Frohe Weihnachten und einen guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr wünschen wir euch alle. Hope to see you soon.
Well, we won't see you for a while. Not unless you come down here.
Well, yes. Come on down to beautiful Panama.
Come on down and enjoy the ocean. You can see our building just over there, that tall one, and there's some more over here. Here's our ocean view. Hang on. Whoa, you just went under that wave.
Merry Christmas. We love you all.
Anyway, we wish everybody in Germany, in Canada, in Toronto and Montreal specifically, and also in Ottawa, very, very Merry Christmas. And hopefully we'll talk to you over Christmas and see what you got in your loot bags. So we're gonna sing Feliz Navidad.
You know the song, right? The word says Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, and then I don't know anymore.
It's okay, we'll make it fun.
I'll make you.
Okay, since we're in Panama and this is the Spanish language, we will now sing you a rendition of the Merry Christmas song. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. La 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 la. I bet you didn't know that la la is also the same in Spanish. It's la la as well. So, anyway, this is signing off from Panama. A Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, and a frohe Weihnachten.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bye-bye.
Feliz Navidad.